I am now going on a mission to go inside the Great Pyramid, King Khufu's pyramid. Wish me luck. This is gonna be a proper mission. And there's a queue to go inside. I'd like to join the queue. Ja, extend the queue. Let's go. This is gonna be a mission. This is gonna be a dark one. I'm so sorry, but it's dark in here. Hello. Hello. Wow. Wow. This is proper history.
Ya pagaron todas las que han hecho.
Joder, sí. Penitencia, esto fue penitencia en mi Semana Santa.
Yo me puedo comer otra hamburguesa. Que ya la voy a echar otra vez.
Don't. Is it that bad?
Mucho.
He knows. He knows. Hello. Hello.
Ay, pero está solito, le toca solito, te sube fácil.
Ahí solito.
Ahí le toca solito.
Oh, wait. No. Go.
No.
Thank you.
Ya veníamos.
Oh my God.
Vamos a hacer el segundo viaje.
Difícil.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I wasn't expecting this.
Yes, you got. Sí, señor.
Prego. That's all I know.
Yes.
Buongiorno. Good morning. Fall down. Are you sweating? Is it hot? Oh my God. Oh my life. What did I sign up to? How am I gonna go up there? You make it look like really easy.
Yes.
Yeah, you make it look like easy. It's not gonna be easy for me. Can I just stay here? Oh, don't worry if you slip. Airbag is here. Airbag. You are the queen.
Thank you.
There is only one-way traffic, unfortunately, so I'm not complaining. Rested in here. You did it. Well done.
Thank you.
I know you can't see me, but I am struggling already. Like, I don't know how am I gonna manage that. Lots of people coming. How am I gonna go up? Because if I go up, no one will get through. Hello. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the There is an Egyptian army coming. King's army coming down. Wow. This is seriously one-way traffic. I don't know. I can't believe I'm making this. Oh my God. I don't know how it's gonna end. Wow. You're gonna come and go to the sideways, because if you wait down, you're never gonna get up. And it's like a really long way.
蛮累，跟老奶奶一样。
要不要去我前面？我给你录的。
别录，站了吧你。
Do you want me to take over as well? Or?
你屁股，不录了
Oh
吗？
my God.
随便你，看你的第一。
not me holding the queue this time. Wow. Amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Oh, that was a picture time. It's important to take also a picture. That was the hard part, I think.
Io ho pagato quindi tutto il tempo necessario. Non voglio fare le corsi.
Tanto stai più come c'è Sudan.
Quindi questo
O di più. Questa è una relazione tipica. Insomma, puoi cercare di stare all'interno del range dove sta, come c'è la Sudan.
Proper sweating in here, so this one needs to come up. I don't know where am I gonna fit this now. I don't know what I was thinking by getting this. Somehow it has to fit in my pocket.
C'est sur ma fiche EMI. Excuse me, it's just like that. Not right or left, anything? No, it's just one way. Oh, okay. It's okay. Suffocated.
Right, we are ready for round 2. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Bismillah.
I want to go first. There's a seat that can go in.
Well, this part is not so hard. Basically, you're just going up and then hit the duck. Only the first part. But it feels like you are in the bath, like Turkish bath. Feels like that. It's proper hot in here. But look at this incredible architecture. Oh wow. Is it far to go? Is it far to go?
That's the end. That's the top.
Thank the Lord for that. Well, that's the end. I can do that. Wow. This is what climates look like. Selamun aleyküm. Yavaş yavaş. Türkiye inşallah. Selamun aleyküm. Oh my god. Oh， 哎呦我的妈！这里面太闷了。
你还好吧？
为什么上面第一对？
好了吗？我们可以走了吗？
来了，有点热，太热了。
哇，哦God，哦。Mashallah. Wow. Come through. I'm gonna have to rest. This is incredible.
Thank you.
Good luck, brother.
Yes, sir. 2.
No, you're not. There's a photo shoot going on. Oh. Sorry. Now the easy part for me, going downhill. It's hard for Kay to go uphill, sorry, downhill. But easy for me. Well, not so easy, but I can manage. You are there? You did it?
Yes.
Yeah. You made it. You made it. It's warmer up there, just so you know. Warmer. Hot. This is just incredible. This has been an incredible experience for me. I mean, if it wasn't for Kay, I wouldn't do it. I can see myself, I wouldn't actually come up here. But all thanks to Kay. Can I go that way? Can I go that way? So I don't have to block that. Thank you. Thank you.
Ya de pie. ¡Qué humedad, eh!
Oh my God. Really? You wanna go for it?
Oh, may I?
Yeah, of course, because I can't click through.
Hostia, ahora nos tiraría. Esta es la gran galería. Mirad la gran galería.
Qué pasada.
I just don't understand why people do
Ya
that.
dice graffiti.
Yeah, it's very disrespectful.
Ya. ¿Bien? Vale, tranquila. ¿Quieres ir a la galería?
Hardest part is all.
Cerrar la gran galería.
I was waiting on the queue to come up. Now I'm waiting on the queue to go down. This is gonna be a challenge. Finish easy now, easy. Hot. Alright, I'm going for it. Is it backward or forward? Good luck to me. Oh my god, my head. I haven't. This is good. So far so good. I can do this. But I have to bend up properly. Otherwise, I can see my head is getting cracked open. I am so sorry for the bad camera angle because, as you know, I'm not a small person and this is really hard. This is gonna be fun. The huge backpack is coming up. Holy moly macaroni. Right. How are we gonna do this? Good luck. Thank you. Oh yeah. If we did it with him, we can do it with you as well.
And there's more room?
Yes. Only this part and then you can walk up.
So only this?
And then you walking up.
Oh.
Yeah, still more up. Good luck.
No.
Hot, really hot.
No.
Oh. Slow down, don't speed up. Oh. Well, I am happy to say I didn't bang my head. This was the hardest thing I did.
انا مش عارفه بس متأول اشرب ايوه بس هذه اخدتها عشان بعدين.
This was really hard. I can see the light now. Well, how about that for an experience? That was the inside of Pyramid Khufu. I hope you all enjoyed it. I think I deserve a like because it wasn't an easy challenge for me, but I did it. While Kay is somewhere down there sitting and enjoying the cool breeze. It was one of the best experience. Now, let's find where she is.